Living with cats is amazing. Cleaning the litter box every single day is not. That's why automatic self-cleaning litter boxes have become one of the most talked about upgrades for modern cat homes. They promise less smell, less scooping, and a cleaner space for both you and your cat. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 of the best automatic self-cleaning cat litter boxes available right now. I'm focusing on the things that actually matter in real daily life: odor control, safety, maintenance time, smart features, multi-cat performance, and overall long-term value, so you can decide which one is truly worth it for your home. Let's start with one of the most advanced models on the market. The PETKIT PUROBOT Ultra is not just a self-cleaning litter box. It's a full smart health tracking system. It comes with a built-in AI camera that can recognize individual cats and monitor their bathroom habits in detail. It tracks how often your cat visits, how long they stay, stool condition, and urine clump size, and then turns all of that into organized health data inside the app. For multi-cat homes, this completely removes the guesswork because you always know which cat is doing what. The cleaning process is fully automated. After each use, it removes waste, seals it, packs it, and even installs a new bag when the bin gets full. The waste container can last up to around 20 days for one cat, and the included refill bags are designed to last for months, which helps reduce long-term cost. Odor control is handled through multiple layers: a sealed bag, enclosed bin, and built-in deodorizing system, so smells never really escape into the room. It's also ultra-quiet and extremely spacious inside, making it comfortable for larger cats. With advanced safety sensors and full app control, including live viewing and two-way audio, this is the best choice for people who want the most hands-off and data-driven litter box experience available today. The Neakasa M1 Plus takes a completely different approach, and for many cats, this design makes adaptation much easier. Instead of an enclosed drum, it uses an open-top layout that feels much more like a traditional litter box. That open design gives cats better visibility and airflow, which is especially helpful for nervous cats or larger breeds that don't like confined spaces. It supports a wide weight range and even includes a dedicated kitten mode, which is something you rarely see in automatic systems. The upgraded multi-angle sensor system constantly tracks your cat's position and pauses cleaning immediately if they get close, so safety is never a concern. Maintenance is low, with up to 2 weeks of use before the waste bin needs attention, and the pull and wrap disposal system keeps everything sealed and mess-free. Through the app, you can monitor litter activity and adjust cleaning settings remotely. If your cat has ever refused to use a covered litter box, this open and more natural design can make all the difference. The PETKIT PuraMax 2 is what I would call the best balance between smart features and everyday practicality. It gives you detailed tracking and strong automation without stepping into the ultra-premium price category. Instead of using a camera, it identifies cats by weight and records their visits, time spent inside, and frequency, which still gives you clear insight into their health and behavior. It offers multiple cleaning modes that you can control directly from your phone, and the waste bin can last up to about 15 days. The interior is designed to prevent leaks and litter buildup, which means less deep cleaning over time. Odor control is handled by a sealed container, combined with a dedicated deodorizing unit, keeping the surrounding area consistently fresh. The low entry height makes it easier for senior cats or cats with mobility issues, and the large interior works well for multi-cat households. For most people who want a smart, reliable, and low-maintenance system, this is one of the most well-rounded options available. The PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro is perfect for people who want automation without dealing with apps or complex setups. Instead of clumping litter, it uses crystal litter and disposable trays. The crystals absorb moisture and dehydrate solid waste, which dramatically reduces odor and keeps the box dry for weeks. When it's time to clean, you simply remove the entire tray and replace it. No scooping, no scrubbing, and no direct contact with waste. It also includes a health counter that tracks how often your cat uses the box, so you can spot changes early. This unit is lighter and more compact than most smart litter boxes, making it ideal for smaller homes or apartments. For single-cat households that want the simplest possible maintenance routine, this is still one of the most convenient options out there. The PetPivot self-cleaning litter box is designed for people who want full automation without Wi-Fi, without apps, and without complicated setup. It's true plug and play. The open-top design helps cats feel comfortable right away, especially if they're transitioning from a traditional litter box. Advanced safety sensors stop the cleaning cycle immediately if your cat steps inside, and the ultra-quiet motor keeps the environment calm for noise-sensitive pets. The waste bin lasts up to around 10 days for one cat, and the sealed bag system keeps odors contained. It's also easy to disassemble for deep cleaning, with no complex internal components. If you want something simple, quiet, and reliable that just works without needing to connect to your phone, this is a great choice. The Cumrige self-cleaning litter box is built for capacity. With one of the largest drum sizes in this lineup, it's ideal for multi-cat homes or larger breeds. The waste bin can last up to 15 days, and the system is compatible with standard clumping litter, so there's no need to switch materials. Through the smart app, you can control cleaning cycles remotely, get full bin alerts, and monitor usage patterns. Despite its size, it runs quietly, making it suitable for day and night use. The deodorizing structure is designed to prevent leaks and trap odors inside the unit, keeping your living space fresh. If your biggest goal is reducing how often you have to deal with litter maintenance in a busy multi-cat household, this model stands out. The Bashaw self-cleaning litter box focuses on comfort, quiet performance, and simple smart control. The wide open entrance helps reduce anxiety and makes it easier for cats to use consistently. With multiple safety sensors, the cleaning cycle pauses the moment your cat steps inside. It runs at a very low noise level, making it perfect for bedrooms or small apartments, and the app allows you to schedule cleanings, track litter habits, and get maintenance reminders. The waste bin holds around 10 days of waste, keeping the routine predictable and easy. This is a great option for first-time automatic litter box users who want a calm, quiet, and cat-friendly design. So which one should you choose? If you want the most advanced, fully hands-free experience with detailed health tracking, the PETKIT PuraBot Ultra is in a league of its own. If your cat prefers open spaces, the Neakasa M1 Plus is one of the most natural and comfortable designs available. If you want the best balance of smart features and long-term value, the PETKIT PuraMax 2 hits the sweet spot. If your goal is the simplest possible maintenance with no scooping at all, the PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro is still incredibly effective. If you want automation without Wi-Fi or apps, the PetPivot keeps things easy and reliable. If you have multiple cats and want maximum capacity, the Cumrige is built for that workload. And if quiet operation and open comfort matter most, the Bashaw is a strong, everyday solution. At the end of the day, the best automatic litter box isn't the one with the most technology. It's the one your cat feels comfortable using and the one that fits naturally into your routine. Because when the right system is in place, you're not just saving time on cleaning. You're creating a cleaner, healthier, and more stress-free home for both you and your cat. Check the links in the description for current pricing and full details on each model. And if you want more honest, research-based pet product comparisons like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.